This is Brian with a UK accent. Welcome to this beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in the desirable San Miguel Ranch community. This spacious home features vaulted ceilings, large windows that fill the home with natural light, and a functional floor plan with a full bedroom and bathroom on the first floor. Perfect for guests or a home office. The beautifully landscaped backyard offers plenty of space to relax or entertain. Residents enjoy access to the community pool, spa, fitness center, clubhouse, and sports courts. Conveniently located near schools, parks, shopping, dining, and easy freeway access.